I asked you guys how I should paint these 15 Terminators, and the most liked comment will decide it. And you came up with the idea of painting these guys in a non-metallic metal flip-flop style. I took the challenge and started with a solid base coat of midnight purple through an airbrush, as I knew these will take a lot of time and I should have a good foundation. After that, I loaded up the wet palette and started painting. So let's start with the sound. I like to start with the mini I actually care about, as I feel that I am the most motivated right after I started a new project, and I actually want this one to look good. The first minor obstacle, or let's say inconvenience, was to place the highlights. I figured I'd try something new here and hold this one really steady under a bright light source and yeah, basically just cover the brightest parts. I painted them with purple for the first one and put a dot of wolf grey where the brightest highlight would be. For the dark areas I chose dark green and just placed them in the shadows, even though I will brighten them up as well. I went back to the purple and placed the highlights where I felt they would be natural. I did the same thing with the green color and edge highlighted some parts, as this one is very important for the non-metallic metal effect. After like 45 minutes, the sergeant looked like this. I wanted to push this one a little bit more, so I took a comfy position and painted a little longer. So it took me around 1 hour to finish this guy. I wanted to do another one, but this time having the green in focus, so I basically did the same thing, hold them under a bright light and placed the highlights where they naturally belong. And while I painted this guy, I learned that I should not highlight the off color that hard, even though I think it looks pretty cool. So if I want a primary green one, I should not highlight the purple as much, and of course the other way around. The next update will be on next Sunday, so subscribe and leave a like if you don't want to miss that one. But as I have 12 more to go by this time. You can tell me other cool tips in the comments, and if you want to be a part of this challenge, just go over to my Instagram, you'll find everything there. By now, thank you for watching, and we are going to see each other in the next one.